How to use ChatGPT as an advanced search engine. ChatGPT can be used as an advanced search engine by leveraging its natural language processing capabilities to understand complex search queries and provide relevant results. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Define your search query. Start by defining your search query using natural language. For example, you might ask what are the best restaurants in New York City, or what are some popular hiking trails in the Rocky Mountains. 2. Integrate ChatGPT into your search engine. You can integrate ChatGPT into your search engine by using an API. OpenAI provides an API for GPT models that can be used for this purpose. 3. Analyze the query and extract keywords. ChatGPT can analyze the query and extract important keywords to help refine the search. For example, in the query "What are the best restaurants in New York City?" the keywords might be best, restaurants, and New York City. 4. Perform the search. Using the extracted keywords, ChatGPT can perform a search and provide relevant results based on the query. The results can be displayed in a user-friendly format, such as a list or a map. 5. Refine the search. If the initial results are not satisfactory, ChatGPT can be used to refine the search by asking follow-up questions. For example, if the initial search for hiking trails in the Rocky Mountains does not yield the desired results, ChatGPT could ask for more specific details such as location, difficulty level. Some sources for more information on using ChatGPT as an advanced search engine include OpenAI's GPT-3 as an advanced search engine by Towards Data Science. This article provides a tutorial on how to use GPT-3 to create an advanced search engine, including code examples. Using GPT-3 for Advanced Search by ADI Polik. This blog post provides an example of using GPT-3 to perform an advanced search for job openings. Building the next generation of search engines with AI by IBM developer. This article discusses how AI language models like GPT-3 are changing the way we search for information and provides examples of how they can be used to improve search results. OpenAI's GPT-3, an AI language model that will revolutionize search engines by Search Engine Journal. This article discusses the potential impact of GPT-3 on the future of search engines and how it can be used to improve search results. The power of GPT-3 for search engines, a new approach to finding information by analytics insight. This article provides an overview of how GPT-3 can be used to create a more intelligent and personalized search experience. I hope this helps you get started with using ChatGPT as an advanced search engine.